A sparkling clean home helps give a positive impression to prospective home buyers and will help you sell your home faster and for more money. I'm Shannon Ellison with the Walker team of Intero. Check out these top 3 spring cleaning projects to get your home ready to sell. Number 1 is start decluttering. If your home is especially cluttered, you're not alone, but excess clutter can make the home appear smaller and more cramped, which can deter potential buyers. The great news is you can do it slowly over time. If you're preparing to sell within a few months, start this project in advance and do just one room every weekend. And guess what? That moving process is going to be a lot easier with fewer items. You'll appreciate less clutter as you unpack and organize your new space. Quick tip, selling items through Facebook Marketplace or a simple garage sale is a great way to earn some extra cash and incentive to declutter. Consider donating unwanted items to the local thrift store, and remember, when it comes to a clean home, less is always more. Number 2, tackle that kitchen. For many, the kitchen is one of the most important rooms in the house, and buyers will pay close attention to the kitchen during showings. A quick cleaning doesn't cut it. Do a deep cleaning of everything. This may include things that you may have not even thought to clean, or have never cleaned. Degreasing the walls of the kitchen. Over time, kitchen walls can become greasy from lots of cooking, and many potential buyers will notice this. Consider degreasing walls, cabinets, backsplashes, and the stove, and give your kitchen an extra clean feeling. Number 3, floors and carpeting. Buyers notice homes with dirty or poorly cared for carpeting. Consider a professional carpet cleaning service or rent a steam cleaner from a local home improvement store. If your carpets are in decent shape, start by creating a DIY carpet spot cleaning solution by mixing a 1/4 cup of salt, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1/4 cup of borax, and apply it to any stains or spots on your carpets. Allow each spot to dry, and then run that vacuum over it. For your homes with hardwood, your floors might have scuffs or marks from normal usage. Try wood conditioning for a clean and shiny look for scratches that might be present. But that's all for today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks when it comes to everything real estate. As a reminder, I'm Shannon Ellison with the Walker team of Intero Real Estate, and happy cleaning.